Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. This is 110th video in our PTC Creo Parametric course where we are covering everything from the basics to advanced technique. If you are new here, want to start from beginning, be sure to check out the playlist link in the description down below. In this session, we're going to quickly talk about this draft analysis tool inside Creo style. So this draft analysis tool, I would say, is almost same as we generally see inside analysis group. So as the name suggests, draft, this tool is going to help us out if the surface that we are forming is feasible or not. Especially I would say when we are trying to manufacture something out of plastic and we want to see its feasibility, specifically when we are using injection molding process. So here you can see I have selected this surface. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna perform draft analysis of this surface. So let's hit here draft, and now you need to select the surface, which we already did, and then here we need to define the direction. So I'm gonna say this is my plane and then this is the direction, okay? And then here you can specify the draft angle. So let's make it 5 for example, and let's see if there is a change of 5 degree, which is not. So I'm gonna again put here, let's say 1 degree. So let me check again a draft of 1 degree, and there we go guys. Here we can see this color scale which shows the draft, and you can always play with this color scale whether you want to make it a 3 color scale or 5 color scale. It is totally up to you. So the bluish color represent here where we generally see the negative draft or the draft found to be almost 0. Then comes the neutral area, and then here we can see the positive draft, which makes this whole geometry feasible. Now after we understand, okay, these are the area where we need to modify our curve, then what we can do here is we can go here and can make some adjustment, and then again go here and perform draft analysis, and let's see this time what kind of result it come up with. So I'm gonna click here again on draft direction, and now here we can see the entire surface either have got neutral draft or a positive draft. So again we can do the same here in this area. So again I'm gonna hit here, and then I'm gonna make some adjustment on this curve, and now again let's go here draft, and let's see the draft. And there we go guys. Now we can see the entire surface that we have plotted have positive draft. So as you know, I am just doing this for demonstration. Obviously when we are going to work with real life model, we can't tweak like this as I did here to convert draft from negative to positive, especially with exterior parts. But I hope guys we got the gist how you can see and analyze the draft such that we make feasible product, especially when we are utilizing mass production process such as injection molding. So that's wrap up this session on draft analysis in surfacing. I hope guys this tutorial gave you clarity on how we can utilize draft analysis in PTC Creo Parametric. If you want to elevate your engineering skill and want to stay updated with more in-depth tutorial where we cover variety of topics from core engineering to CAD to project management and beyond, make sure to subscribe to Engineering Pritam. If you have got any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them and comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.